Hey Stitch Cuties, it's day 74 of Stitch365, and today we're gonna open up a Boo Cat mug rug kit, and I'm gonna show you how quick and easy you can make a Halloween mug rug. And as a surprise, this is gonna be on sale. It's actually a really cute cat dressed up for Halloween, but this is being discontinued. So I'm gonna show you how you can make this, and if you purchase it while it's on sale, you will have this adorable pattern at a really great price. So everything that you need except the batting is in the kit. So what I'm gonna do is put the binding aside, and I'm gonna take the back of the mug rug and put it aside. I'm gonna press my background fabric, and then I'm gonna start placing my pieces. So I'll turn my light box on. I'm gonna put my placement guide underneath my Fusimat. Let me get it in there. And now we'll build our units. So we have a cute little cat. We are going to first do his tail. It's number 1. You just put that right in place. And then number 2 is the bow, and 3 is the bow center. So I'm just gonna show you, I'm just opening it up, and I'm showing you how quickly you can put together something so cute. So now you get your bow in place, and you just tap where the pieces overlock or overlap, and then you have your bow center. How cute is that? Put that in place. And now the next piece, number 4, is his body. So we'll put that in place. If I can peel it, there we go. And you can see it does overlap on the little bow. So you want to touch it there, and then you'll touch it right here where they connect. And now we're gonna build, so that's one unit already. We're gonna build his little face as a separate unit. So the first piece we'll put down will be the actual little face. And actually, you know what? Let's build his glasses first. That'll make it easy, see? Because then you don't have to worry about knowing where those circles go. So you just crimp and peel the backing, and you put the little eyeballs in place. See how quickly this is going? You're not having to trace, you're not having to cut out. Everything is pre-fused with heat and bond light. And let's just get those. There we go. And then you just iron that down. And then you should wait a second for it to cool because you don't want to burn your fingers, but you know, I'm making a movie. I gotta go quickly. So now we're gonna put his little face down, and we'll put the little unit we just made right on top. There we go, and we're gonna iron those together. And now we have his nose and his eyes. So to see his nose, you just want to kind of look which direction it's going. Let's see. I think it goes that way. There we go. Took me a second, didn't it? So now you're just going to line that up. And I know you probably can't tell on the video, but I can see through, so that's good. So on your light pad, you'll be able to see through. And again, I'm using a Lori Holt light pad, and then I have my Fusimat. I don't recommend ironing directly on your light pad like I do. I would keep a Steady Betty beside you, but you know, for the magic of film, we're gonna do it. And then his other little ear. So look at that. We almost have our cat done. All right. And so now that his body is cool, we're gonna gently lift his body. Be careful by the bow. And now his little head is ready. And then we have the word boo that we'll add at the end. So now what I'm gonna do is put my background fabric right over my placement guide. And again, I know on the camera, you're probably not going to be able to see through what I'm seeing, but I can see it, and I promise you, you'll be able to too. So you just get your body right in place, and we're going to iron that. There we go. And now we're going to put his little face on. There we go. And now we will put the word boo. So let's see, how long has it been? About 5 minutes since I opened this kit. And through the magic of prefused laser cut pieces, I am almost done. Can you believe it? It's awesome. So you too can grab this kit before it's gone. We are unfortunately going to be discontinuing this kit, even though it's so adorable. There's just fabrics in it that we can't get anymore. So the stock that we have left is the end of the inventory. And so since Halloween is near, we're going to celebrate by putting it on sale 60% off, which is crazy. Such a good deal. So hopefully you will grab this before it's gone. It'll ship out right away, and you'll be able to make it for Halloween. And how cute is this? So this little boo, I actually use, I have one from a couple years ago that's the same kit, and I use it as a mouse pad, and it works great. So even if you know someone who's not a quilter, maybe a good friend or a grandchild, how much fun would they have with this? You can put it on your nightstand, by your favorite chair in the living room, and use it as a mug rug or use it as a mouse pad. So there we go. Ta-da! I'm ready to sew. So with the magic of the prefused laser cut kit, in 7 minutes, I've opened the kit and placed everything and am ready to sew. I hope that you enjoyed today's stitch tip, and I hope you're able to grab a kit and enjoy it too. Happy stitching!